Beshies, welcome back to our channel. This is Team Hakansson Official and welcome to another unboxing video. So we have here, this is BOSCH Unlimited Series 6 ProAnimal vacuum cleaner. So there you go. That's the feature of this vacuum cleaner. So we are going to open this one. This is not review video, it's just unboxing. So we have just received it last week and we haven't tried it yet, so we are going to open it and see what we have here inside this box. Disclaimer, BOSCH is not sponsored. So since we have cat in our house, so we need this kind of vacuum cleaner. By the way, before I open this box, if you're new to our channel, please don't forget to subscribe by clicking the subscribe button down below. Ring that notification bell for more videos. So let's get into it. We open this box. So this is made in Germany. So if you are looking for this kind of vacuum cleaner, please check my description box. And we have some unboxing videos. You will pop up on YouTube cards on top of this video. Please check it out. There you go. Let's see what's inside. Ta-da! you go. That's what's inside the box, Beshi. So this is not a review vlog, it's just unboxing. So we will see after 2 months of using it, and maybe I can do some review vlog on how to use and like that. So there you go, that's what's inside the box. So thank you for watching, Beshies. If you're new to our channel, please don't forget to subscribe by clicking the subscribe button down below. Ring that notification bell for more unboxing video. So this is Team Hakansson Official saying that you are always special. Bye!